Okay, so would you please show our customers about the production line of our chargers?
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, let's begin. Now you can see that this is the picture of our factory, and this is uh, some department. And what you see is our engineer, the state of engineer, and he's he is designed the PCB board. Yeah, you can see that he's designed the PCB board for our customers. And this is one of advantage of our factory because we can customize the PCB board inside the charger for our customers. So we can control the quality of the components of the circuit. So there are some factories, they don't have such department. They just buy from other suppliers. So it's hard for them to control the quality of their PCB board, and we are different from them. We can customize not only the appearance but also the PCBA board inside. So we can help our customers to better match the situation of their market, and to help them to make the most cost effective chargers, and so that they can beat their competitors and save their cost, and to help them to become stronger and powerful. Okay, let's move to next part. Okay, this is the purchase department, and let's get into our showroom. Now you can see this is the showroom, and this is some models of ours, and we design many different private models, and they are different in appearance, in colors, and this is some package that we design for our customers. You could see that it's different image, different picture on the package, and we can also do different shapes of the package. And the main product is a wall charger and car charger, and different material, metal, PC, or ABS plus PC. Okay, so after seeing the showroom, let's get into next part. And we are going into the workshop. Okay, let's start from this college, and let's see what is she doing. Okay, now you can see this is the assembling of the PCBA board, and this college is welding the components onto the PCBA board. Okay, and this college is doing the same thing. He's checking and he is welding, but also checking the tin on the PCBA board, and to check if it is normal, if it is perfect. And you could see that now the Calvin is showing the PCBA board for us. And when she is welding, we have a machine that can make there is no smoke, so that we can ensure the quality of the chargers, and to protect the workers' health. And now this college is put the glow inside the shell. So after she made all the finish this work, and this college is putting the PCBA board inside the shell. Now Calvin is showing the PCBA board for us, and this is 2-port, 2 USB port, and you can see that PCBA board, the tin on the board is shining, and we use the highest class tin in the market, so it can maintain tight and solid even after a long time using. Now he's putting the plug on the shell. Okay, let's move to another part. Next part. Okay, this college is doing the same thing. He is putting the PCB board inside the shell. Okay, let's take a look at this college, and he's checking the finished products, and he will put the charger onto the board, and to check if the charger can work normally or not. And this machine cannot test not only the charging, but also can test the agreements that the charger can support. And after that, he will put the good chargers into the blue bed. And if he found any problems, he will return the charger to the before procedure. Now you can see that he is checking all the charger. Each of the charger will be tested by this machine. Okay, now you can see this is the fast charging agreements, and you can see this charger can also pass. Okay, let's move into another part. Okay, now you see this is our ultrasonic machine. If after our workers putting the PCBA board inside the shell and put the plug onto the shell, and this is almost a finished product, but it is very unstable, because if we drop the charger, it can be easily broken. So we use this ultrasonic machine to connect the charger to connect the plug together with the upper shell, and make them can be connected with each other very tightly. Okay, let's move into another part, and you could see that this is all the mold we have done for our customers. We have designed many private model, so there should be different mold for our chargers. These years we focus on private model in order to give our customers a better bargain power and to make them unique in their market. And you can see this is also an ultrasonic machine, and he is putting the finished charger into the mold. Okay, let's move into another part. Now you can see our workshop is clean, and everything was in order. Okay, this room is testing all the charger, and this is called full load test, and we can test almost 5,000 chargers in one day, and each charger we will test for over 2 hours to test if it can work normally even after full load long time using. Because sometimes if our customer use our chargers to charging high power devices, so the charger have to work for a longer time, and they have to work full load. So in order to test if the charger can work normally even after a very long time using, a full load time using, so we designed such a test, and every charger have to pass that test. So after that test, we know that the charger can maintain a normal temperature and maintain a normal work conditions. And you can see that the light shows that the charger can work normally, and if the light turns off, and we know that the charger stop working, and we will remove this charger from this machine, and we will return back to the before procedure until it can be fixed out. Okay, thank you, Kelvin. Let's move to next part. Okay, let's make a small test, which this test is called Fireproof test, and we have found a shell from the market, and you can see that we are fire the shell. Okay, now you can see the shell can be fired easily, and this shell is not ours. This is the public mode from the market. Okay, let's test our own charger, and you can see that the advantage of our shell. Okay, let's wait a minute. Okay, you can see that it cannot be fired. It cannot be fired. Okay, thank you, Kelvin. Now we know that our shell cannot be fired. It has a better Fireproof, and the standard is the highest class. It is VO. It is V0. So we know that our charger is very safe. Uh, not only about the Fireproof, but also the the work, the normal working condition after a long time using. And now we are showing you is the silk spring. And we are print the specifications of our customers to the charger. And you can see that this our college is putting the finished charger onto this machine, and this machine is printing the specification to the one side of the charger. And this college is doing the same thing. Okay, let's take a look at this specification. You can see that this print is very clear. It's not the same as the laser curve, because we use the silk spring. It can support many colors, not only white, not only the gray. You know, the gray is the color of laser curve. We can support different colors, and the words on the charger is very clear. It is clearer than the laser curve. Okay, let's follow Kelvin's feet, and you can see this is our Miccell cartons, and this is some of our customers' products, and that we are going to deliver. Okay, let's follow Kelvin's feed. We take a look at the procedure. Okay, and you can see that now our college is packed. Is packed the charger. He's packing the charger. You can see this college is also packing the charger. And this is a paper box. You know, we can support different package for our customers, but mainly our paper box with blister inside. And you can see this college is cleaning the charger. Is using a special material to clean the charger to make sure that the charger is perfect when delivering to our customers. And you know the a perfect appearance is very important, especially for the customers who are retailer or who have their own brand. So we have to make sure that every charger, there is no dust on the charger when delivering to our customers. So we set such a procedure. And we will also put the dust-proof bag onto the charger to make sure it to protect it from the dust during the whole procedure of delivering.